Grab your iPhone and check these settings.
Tap on Settings, tap on Battery. From here, tap on Charging. And lithium-ion batteries don't like to be charged to 100%, and especially with the new iPhone 16 and the longer battery life, it's recommended to set this between 80 and 90% to increase the longevity of your iPhone battery. Next, tap on Settings, tap on Accessibility, scroll all the way to the bottom, and tap on Siri. From here, scroll down, and the Always Listen for Siri, I like that to be turned off because if my phone is face down or covered, I don't want it waiting or listening. Tap on Settings, tap on Your Name. From here, tap on Subscriptions. And right here are all of your active and inactive subscriptions. It's a great place to check to see if you're spending money that you don't need to.